Kyle and Eric from Chaparral Motorsports here, and today we have in front of us the Ocelot aluminum non-folding loading ramp. It's about 6 feet in total length and 14 inches in total width. Let's get a really good measurement here so we can look at exactly what the specifics are. So working length is about 6 feet, total length is 6 foot 5 inches. I think we're about a foot in 1 or foot and 2 inches here. Yep, 13 inches as far as working width in between the rails goes, and 14 inches from side to side. Now this is an extremely light ramp. It holds 500 pounds. It's got rubber grippers up here at the top to keep it from slipping off the truck, but I would recommend that you take a tie-down strap and strap it to the bumper of the truck so it doesn't slip out if you're having to load under power. Again, it holds 500 pounds. If you're overloading an ATV or a UTV that's less than 1,000 pounds, you can combine those two ramps together in order to get that two-track up into your vehicle. Again, very lightweight, about 6 feet in length. It's going to be about the perfect length for our lifted F-250 over here. If you see some of the other videos that have slightly shorter ramps, the angle here, or the degree of the ramp, is significantly steeper, even though it's only about 6 or 8 inches shorter. So if you're looking to load into a lifted truck, this is at least the length that I'd recommend that you go with. Otherwise, you need to get creative when loading, like putting the rear wheels in a gutter or finding some sort of hill or slope in order to load on. Anyway, this here is the Ocelot lightweight aluminum ramp with 500-pound load capacity from chatmoto.com. I'm Kyle Bradshaw. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.